The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good Wednesday morning, fellas. Rich, Deepak, Ray. Guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday, December 8th. We are off a phenomenal trade yesterday. Good morning, Caleb, Francis. Good morning. We had an utterly phenomenal trade yesterday as well as Monday. Look to keep that going. Should be a good morning, Becky. Blessings to you as well. Should be a huge week for all of you guys, with 3 sessions left for the week. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. To start the day, we have had, we've had one completed bot trade, big winner in gold. Very big winner in gold. Just as a reminder to trials and anyone that may be watching this video on YouTube or at some point, gold gets turned on at 6 a.m. So we've had our first trade at 6:21. We are currently in an ES long, which fired at 7:30. Good morning, Chris. There's the 8 o'clock bell. So we have an ES long currently, guys, underwater about 3 handles. Neither gone to stop or target. We have a winner in the Nasdaq, and that is it. Also, as a reminder, the ES and Nasdaq bots both get turned on at 6 a.m. as well. Crude will come on at 8:55. It is crude inventory day. I'm not big on trading the bots on inventory day. So we'll see what it looks like at the open. Take a look at markets. We've traded 101,000 contracts, guys, overnight. So we have about a 50%, give or take 45% higher volume than normal. We do have at the moment about 1,000 net buyers, just over. ES also higher volume than normal, 224,000. Contracts have traded with about 1,800 buyers currently. Gold right around average, small net sellers in gold. Gold is kind of just wasting time. Good morning, Paul. Unless we get, unless we get over 1840, we're not going anywhere. Heavy volume again in crude with buyers. I don't really care about. Natty gas. Looks like we might be starting an up move. I'll look at that on another chart. I think we're daily up. Here is copper. Small buyers, light volume. Russell has sellers. And coffee, 247. Unfinished auction at 248. Taking a look at the markets, Nasdaq's currently up 44.5 off its high, which is, I think we hit about 440. ES is up, call it 10. Dow futures up 60. Russell up 9.5 points. Gold is basically flat, up 6 ticks. Copper is up a tick. Obviously, silver down a bit. Crude is up 27 ticks. Again, natural gas is up 16 ticks. At the moment, Nasdaq, I have hourly shorts, small time frame shorts. I'm thinking we are going to get a pullback. That 190 area should give it some support. Don't know that we get there, but I'm thinking we need a pullback. 2 monster trades. YM currently hourly long, small time frame long. Same with the ES, hourly up, small time frames up, daily up. Probably looking for longs on pullbacks in the ES. Russell, same thing. Daily up. Hourlies are currently green, as are the small time frames. Gold, daily down, hourly down, small time frames down. And crude, daily up, fighting the 100-day moving average, right about where we're at. If we can get above maybe 72, whatever the high of the day is here, 83, but if we need to get above 72, 75 area and trade back through the high of the day, we can go 73.20. I don't know that there's a huge push in crude today. It is inventory day. Natural gas is daily up. There is a gap fill back up to just almost 41. Morning, Todd. I'll keep an eye on gas today. As far as news, I know we have crude inventory. We have Jolt's job openings, which is not that big a deal. Yeah, Jolt's at 10, crude. 10 o'clock, we have Bank of Canada interest rate decision. All right. If you guys remind me just before 10 o'clock, I will watch the Canadian dollar. No Fed speakers as we're in the quiet period. GameStop reports tonight after the close. Morning, Hubba Hubba. Very good morning to you. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. There is your disclaimer. Right here, right with that 126 buyer. Small first target at 84.7. No. Yeah, we have Jolt's job openings at 10. It's really unimportant news. But Bank of Canada interest rate decision will be interesting. I'll watch the Canadian dollar. Inside. Yeah, none of it looks bueno. I'm just trying to get a trade up to that 84.7, which is that unfinished auction, Greg, and then possibly back to 86. Anybody short Nasdaq? I think Nasdaq's coming down. Greg, you short Nasdaq? Yeah, natural gas is daily up. Nah, I think Nasdaq's coming down. Come on, don't leave me hanging here, gold. Let's go. All right, first target hit and filled. Booyah. There you go, fellas. On the board. Thank you, Greg. Small trade to start. Stops at even. If we can get above 86.5, we go 88.1. 86.5, we go 88.1. Trade them as you see fit. So 86.4 is the swing. We need 86.5. We can get 88. We might get 88.5. Trade them as you see fit, fellas, on this runner. Bank of Canada is expected to leave their rate on hold. Pfizer's 3-dose vaccine is effective against the Omicron. They wouldn't say that to help their bottom line, would they? Nah. They're not. They're not for profit, aren't they? All right, we take this swing here, fellas. We got 88.1, I think. 80, we could get 88.5. We have pulled VWAP stair step lower. Got a shot. Got some work to do in here. Need that swing. So again, if we get a pullback in what? Markets? I think it's going to be dependent on what they say next week. They start talking 3 interest rate hikes, and I think you've seen your Christmas rally. I could be dead wrong. I'll trade whatever I see. Methinks the Nasdaq's coming down today. A break below 49 starts it, fellas. Gonna, all right, out. Small first target only. I do not think gold comes much below 82.2. Zero, Caitlin. Nasdaq's target is zero, man. Target numero uno on the Nasdaq is maybe 25. We could come down to yesterday's close at 318. Morning, Johan. We broke that 49. That should be the start of this plunge. Now we need to take out the most recent swing low at 38. 38. Going to find a little bit of a bounce at 34. So we broke 38. 34 is next. It's holding that small area. Good morning, Kes. Kessie, good morning. Welcome, welcome. If you just joined, I'll go over this again briefly. We've already had our first bot trade on gold, a big winner on gold. Just to reiterate, gold, Nasdaq, and the ES, we start trading them at 6 a.m. Eastern. That would be followed by crude at 8:55 and the Russell at 9:30. We are currently in an ES long, which is neither gone to stop or target. Do I offer trades for you guys? No, not at all. I don't trade. Have you been in the room? Come on, man. The answer is yes. I've already taken a gold trade for a winner, and I've given a Nasdaq short. And yes, I trade a live account. Did the bot catch the NQ long at 6:30 this morning? No. No, I don't know what the heck this spike was about. Up to 436. I don't know what that was. I saw it after the fact, but I have no idea. There was no news. Morning, Dan. Fibshow, I agree with you on NQ short. ES long and RTY long, I would agree with that as well as the YM. I think the weak sister is the Nasdaq. Thank you, Bob. So in any event, Kessie, yes, I do offer order flow trades. So pay attention. I mean, you'll hear me say, if anyone is interested, Nasdaq is a long here or gold is a short, whatever the case may be. And I would generally give stops and targets. We are currently short Nasdaq from the mid 50s. And I have a first target down near 25. get a bounce here on the Nasdaq. It's not going anywhere. So we came into the room, guys. Nasdaq had about 1,200 net buyers. We're down to 568. I think they're going to bleed these out, and Nasdaq looks like it's going to sell. Nasdaq short, maybe 25, 26. If you want to get aggressive, you can hold it into yesterday's close at 318, but I think 25, 26. We're down to 420 net buyers, so they're bleeding them. You know, it's typical pre-market, not much volume. Unfinished auction at 330. Thank you. Let's see if I have it. I didn't see it. Doesn't mean it's not there. Yeah. Thank you, Ray. $320 and 300. Yeah, so my first target is about 25. Thank you, Todd. My first target's about 25. And then yesterday's close was 18. So I think that could, somewhere between that and the whole number is going to be the bottom. Let's see. YM is C to break. Three target, yes. Yeah, I'm in agreement with you on the Russell. Remember, I've been saying 2,300, and I'm in agreement with you on the ES. I'm in agreement. Toon, 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 toon. I cannot believe we came to 31 and left that auction at 30 quarter. Cannot believe it. For the moment, it's not going anywhere, guys. You're well into the green, well into the profit. You're going to get your targets. Morning, James. Morning, morning. Nine degrees there this morning. It's going to be 57 here. Yep, I'm looking at that unfinished auction, John. Came 3 ticks from it. I can't believe it left it. It won't. It'll get that auction. It's coming to my target, guys. I'm going to get my target. Yeah, it's going to be a sunny day here, but you're where? California? It's supposed to. Oh, Spain. There it is. Oh, 25, 25. Target hit, fellas. Target hit. Mid 50s to 25. Now it's a free trade. Completely freebie. You're welcome, John. Now buckle up, fellas. If you've got runners, buckle up. So 18 was yesterday's close. That should be next. Got an unfinished auction on the ES at 84 as well. I'll tell you what. I'll give you a crazy target. And I have anybody still holding Nasdaq shorts? Because I do have an hourly target, which may take some work. 267. 267. And I think we're going to get there. Nice way to start off the day, fellas. With a monster. 270 is prior initial balance high. I think that's where we're headed. Let me see what else I can come up with here. Yeah, I've got to be long YM, but I'm not interested in pre-market YM. ES on a break below 89 comes to 81 81. ES below 89 comes 81. Russell, I don't want to be short yet. Gold, can't do a dang thing. Crude, Sandy used to say, I got butt kiss. Yeah, yesterday's close was 318. It's kind of where we're sitting for now. If you guys are not short and you want to try a small long back up to 45, you have a Nasdaq long. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mimi. You have a long to 45, maybe 43. I mean, it's just a trade, 34 to 43. You see gold. I think I missed a trade. I did. Dang it. I missed a gold trade. Gold should trade back to 88.7. Guys, I'm going to try a gold long again. I'm late on the trade, but and not really, I guess. 85.6. No. All right, gold filled. You can take target one if you want at 87.4. Come on, gold. Let's go. things. I'm not letting it come back down below 84. 16 ticks. That's it. Okay. ES on that long on the bot has rolled into a short. It's reversed into a short. Daniel, that differs from trade to trade. So the bot, the way that the bot works, it sets the targets and stops are not generic, right? 10 tick stop, 10 tick target. The way that the bot works is it's setting targets and stop predicated on current market volatility. So we're using average true range to determine stops and targets. Now you can increase or decrease those. So for instance, you can use target 1 as a trader, right? Everyone's an individual. I am currently using 1 on the ES, right? So I'm using a 1 times average true range for target. Okay. So from trade to trade, your stops and targets can be different, right? It's going to be based on market volatility. There is no fixed stop or target. And we better hold this buy zone here, guys. We need to bounce out of here quickly. So what I'll do is, just after 11 o'clock this morning, just after 11. No, you can control your stop. You can control your stop. There, how about that? 2.5 handle stop. I can manually control anything I want, right? So if I want to take the trade off, or I want to move my stop, I can do that. Now, if I want to change this, right, based on current market volatility, right, the bot has identified a first target of 25 ticks, so 6 handles, but a stop of 62. So you'll notice target number 2 is the same as my stop, right? So what I'm saying is my target number 2 is 2.5 times average true range. And my stop is 2.5 times average true range. It's a 15-minute chart. So what I do is, or what you can do, you can make that smaller or larger. In the settings, I can make that 1 times average true range. I can control whatever I want, targets and stops, right? Just by changing settings. We now have a gold bot trade, trade number 2 on the gold. So we have an order flow trade on gold, which is up 4 ticks. We have a bot trade on gold, and I have a bot short on the ES. Gold needs to pop through 86.6. That swing there, fellas. right there. Nasdaq still working lower, down to 105.4, below 100 net buyers. Anybody still holding Nasdaq? If you're holding Nasdaq short, I wouldn't give it up. You have the possibilities for a really nice move here. I think we're going to see 267. Okay, go ahead. I mean, virtually no selling in gold. Yeah, volume is decent, 66 or 62,000 contracts, 122 net sellers, and gold is just wasting time. Nasdaq bounced off that 18, which was yesterday's close. Guys, at 9 a.m., this is more for the trials. At 9 a.m., I take a breakfast break every day. I'll be doing that this morning. This gold trade is really torquing my jaw because this thing really should go. Yeah, it's being a chooch, Todd. That's right. It should go, fellas. This should get back up to 88, give or take. Look at these sellers. Whoppers. 8, 6, and 7. Yeah, natural gas was daily up. All right, guys, I'm going to close this out here. I think on this gold, I'm out. Small loss, I'm out. I am out. Small winner on gold, early small loss. I'm done. Guys, any questions? We'll get them after the open. Yep. I said I like natural gas long. You have a gap fill to 4,100. All right, fellas. It's 9 a.m. I'll leave these up. I'm going to take my breakfast break. I'll be back. All right, guys, I'm back. We still have about 10 minutes. While I was gone, crude had a bot trade, a winning trade on crude. Morning, Jeff. Buyers coming into Russell. ES has not gotten the first target yet. 87, about 6 ticks on that ES bot trade. Nasdaq, small negative delta now, 150 contracts. See if we can get a bounce. Anybody have any questions before we go, fellas? Here we go. We're off. Watch for the long on Nasdaq above 35. There's the sell, as we kind of thought. This is a short from the mid 50s. Let me take a look at everything else. YM is bid. Pushing resistance though. YM's got to get above 79.80. It's failing at resistance on the YM. ES moving lower. Here it is on the bot. Almost a first target, but not quite. Buyers trying in the ES. Russell, same thing, selling. There's first target on the ES on the bot. First target ES on the bot. Nasdaq selling into the abyss. Boy, I hope you guys are still holding shorts from the mid 50s. Watch for a bounce at 62. Nasdaq 62. So we hit my we hit my 267, right? We should bounce in here. We should bounce. This area better bounce it, or else this is going to get roasted. It's not holding yet. It's about a 100 handle trade from my initial short. Okay, we're bouncing. We should get a small bounce in here. Indices are all in sell mode. Don't forget, today is crude inventory day, so if you're trading the bot, trade it as you see fit. All right, YM. Long YM. Long YM. Right here, 800. Yeah, I mean, it's moving, fellas. I don't know if this is done yet. It bounced, but I don't think it's done yet. Anybody catch YM? Target 1,855. If you caught YM, 850, 855. And then 993 is where it's going. 993. ES is getting a bounce. This is where they bottom, 90. Watch that 90 level. All right, guys, we're bouncing. Nasdaq's headed to 97. Nasdaq's going to 97. We could go back 330. Probably 308. There's 97. There's the bounce to 97. My next level up, if you caught that long, would be 308. Okay, watch here. Small sellers in here. Big sellers in the opening 3-minute block, 1,100 plus sellers. You can take the long at 98.99. There it goes, 98.99. There's your 08. Quick 10 handles. All right, fellas, time for me to get in the game. If you guys are paying attention, you're making money. I got you out of the first 5 minutes. Everybody good? Everybody good? Okay, guys. If you're along that 98.99 area, I would hold this trade. My stop would be probably break even. Gold, care less about. YM is getting a fairly stiff pullback. Let me see what this is doing. You dog. YM sitting on support. Nice job, Frank. Mark, good job, guys. $8,500 trade in NQ. Nice job. Nice job, Kez. Very good. Exceptional for a trial. And what you'll find out this week, and if you guys are here on trial, I primarily trade the Nasdaq. That's kind of my thing. I'm not a big ES trader. I will trade it on occasion. I'm not a YM trader really at all. And the Russell and I divorced long ago. It's generally a cold day in hell when I trade the Russell. Colder than that if I trade the YM. But I trade gold, crude, and the Nasdaq primarily. All right, guys, so let them settle down. We caught the shorts. We caught the long. Let them settle down. Got some sellers in here again. We're up to about almost 1,300 net sellers. Let's see if I can actually look at a candle yet. These 5-minute candles at the open are enormous. It looks to me like we may push lower again, right? We've stair-stepped a little bit higher here. No longs yet here, fellas, yet. None. This is why I tell you, on that last trade, go to break even. We're still getting that opening slap. We better bounce 45. If it breaks the low, 45 better hold. Or else we start working all the way down to 211. I think we come 188, 190 area is where I think this is probably headed. Again, I could be wrong, but that's the 21-day moving average. Up to 1,800 sellers. Apple's actually bid. Apple may save the day again. Qs have pulled back. There is a gap fill in the Qs. We're trying to break VWAP on the Qs. SPYs are holding VWAP. Back above the 95. Got a small long again here. It looks like trying for maybe 92. I don't have a trade yet, though. Looks like it's trying to get back to 92. Small buyers. All right, guys. Long Nasdaq. Long Nasdaq again. Long Nasdaq. Long Nasdaq. We're going to target 90 to 01. 90 to 01. This thing's ripping around today. 90, anywhere from 90 to 01. All right? Come on, dog. Let's go. We got 84, 85. Come on, 86. Let's go. Come on, 88. There it is. So you got the 90. You got the bottom end of the zone, right? 01 is okay. Guys, if you're paying attention, you are ringing the till. Ringing it. Okay? Now you should have some risk off if you're trading multiples. And you should be break even. Now let's see if we can get the move back up. All right, let's cross the 68. Order flow, baby. Order flow. Ooh, she's a beast now. Next target, 341. 340. 340. Next class is second week of January. Shameless plug. Shameless plug. Shameless. Come on, cross that 17 quarter and we go. Momentum to the downside is done. Done, I think. We may get pullbacks in here, but the momentum is, I think, done. Stop is at break even unless you want to lock in ticks. If you guys want to, lock in some dough, you can 75, stop, lock in some money. You might could get more aggressive, 85. That's all right, George. Where'd you get in? Nice. It's $400 trade, man. We got all day. All day. This is just the opening salvo. When it settles down, guys, we're going to break here. My next target is 40. 40. It's really 41, but I want to come in ahead of that 41. Big trade, fellas. Big trade. Nasdaq, I'm sorry, the bot on the ES just missed this target at 62 by about 5 ticks. Five ticks. Nice job, James. Up almost 13 grand on the day. Nice job, man. Nice job. All right, guys. Mind if the coach puts me in now? Guys, if you're here on trial, just so you know, on the open especially, yep, 340. That's what I've got, Kez. My goal, especially on the open, is to get you guys money. That's what I'm here for, right? I can trade all day. All right, guys, that's my cue to enter here. I'm late. Come on, let's go, Nasdaq. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on. Oh, fudge. God damn it. Hang on, guys. You're welcome, John. Hang on, fellas. Got a bot trade. I'm frozen. My Dom is frozen. Hang on. That was a Russell trade. Okay, I'm back. Where did we get? We got to 34. We're hanging out here, guys. I still like the longs. Come on. What do you want to do here, Nasdaq? Next 10-minute candle in a minute and a half. There we go. Here comes 40, fellas. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me that 40. Let's go. Give me 40. Come on. Stair step and VWAP down. We get above this 40 area, guys. We start trading to 54. There we go. Come on. We got 36.75. Come on. One more push. One more push. Give me 40. 38. 40. Booyah. Booyah. Got it. We're long, guys. We're long, Nas. Out on the ES runner. We're long on the Nasdaq, fellas. We're just pushing resistance here at this 43, 44. We got to get above VWAP. Okay, come on. Catch this here at 49.75. Come on. Come on. Nice job, Lori. Up 3,200 bucks, 2 trades. Nice job. There's your 54. There's your 54. Guys, move your stop if you're still long from the initial entry. We're going to go 370. Yeah. Move your stop to 320 if you're still long. 320. Okay? Got them again, boys and girls. Got them again. 44 should be some support. Come on. Everybody's good, right? We're all good, yes? Guys, it's coming up on 10 o'clock. I've shut my crude bot off. Good job, Sharon. Okay, Craig. Deepak, good. Jeff, good. My crude bot is off. All right, Ray, got your daily goal. Nice. We're all sale. Nice job, David. Daily goal and in sim. Nice job. YM is trying to push back up through the 760, 70 area. See you tomorrow, Ray. All right, we're going to pull back. Yep, out on the NQ is what it is, man. We failed on the 15-minute at the 20-period moving average. Made a ton of money on the way up. Made money on the way down. All right, Deepak, I'll look at it. No, it's long. It's long, D. 40.5 was the entry, but it's long. We're bids, buys. Qs are pulling back. SPY is fighting yesterday's high. Yeah, let's let it go to 0. Make Chris happy. You're going to get a daily buy on the SPYs, fellas, at the close of today if we close where we're at or higher. All right. Everybody catch a breath. Come on. Come on. What are you going to do? New hourlies, guys, in 3.5 minutes. I like a bounce out of this small zone, this 80 area. We could come down 62, but I like 80, this area with a stop at 52 and a first target back at 97. Small trade. We got 93 and a quarter. Should pop to 97, 98, and possibly back up to 17. But we're just kind of hanging here. There's no buyers. Small sellers. Watch for another flop here on this trend line here. ES is flopping too. Watch that. Not hearing anything on news. Come on, go get that 97. Stop being a chump. Anybody long? It's holding just above where, I said it was a long, but it's not moving. Should go to 97. What price, Daniel? All right, guys, we tagged 97. We got 98, actually. And the next, if we can find some dang buyers. Joel's job openings, who cares? Let's see what we get. I'll like this, guys, if we get the move really back above 05, 06. But if you're long now out of this small buy zone, we should trade 16. If you've taken it in the low 80s, you got that 97 target one. We're just kind of mishmashing. Top of the hour coming, fellas. 10 seconds. Bank of Canada rate decision. Bank of Canada keeps rates on hold. Jolt's job openings, big beat, 11 million versus 10.46. There you go. If you guys are long the 80s, Jolt's data is a fresh record high. We did. We did miss non-farm payroll by like 86 zip codes. Yeah, they're all full of it. Guys, I just took a small long at 03. I'm not digging it. I won't hold it long. Come on, get above 07, 08, and we go. Let's go. We're going to fight 18, which was yesterday's close. Again, gold has now got bid. Everything's quiet. Come on, Nasdaq, what are you doing here? Let's go. Get above 98 and go. Come on. Above 98, we go ski. Let's go. There we go. Come on. I said 98. We got to 01. It's 10-minute candle, not for 7 minutes. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. I mean, we've pulled VWAP down, guys. Pulled stair step to 68 lower as well. Failed 68. Come on. Suck in the shorts and then kill them. If we can get above this 93, come on, there we go. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. There we go. There we go. And then if we can break above 09 or 10, there we go. Come on. Keep it pushing. You got buyers. There we go, fellas. There we go. Now through 10. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, baby. Anybody long? This 18 to 20 area is the problem again. Anybody long? Told you guys I was long. Okay, guys. I added into, here's my trade. I've got two, average cost at 95 half. Okay? Come on, let's get above this stupid yesterday's close. Let's go. Come on, Nasdaq. Pop it. We're fighting yesterday's close, guys. 300, 400 buyers in here. Come on. My stop's at break even. She still doesn't want to go. Gold bot took a trade. Trade number 3. I'll look to get in again. All right, we dropped the 95. So watch for the breach and then the suck back up, right? And it doesn't look like we're going to breach it. Just patience, patience, patience. It's trying to bounce. Let me see where the big bid is here. Oh, he's down at 250. There's the bounce, right? We breached and bounced. Not quite the bounce I'm looking for, but long, long, long. It's going. Higher low open above the 95. We breached and pulled. First target is 87, 88, 89. We got 87 quarter. Going long, going long, going long. Fails 92. Come on, dingbat. Well, we all know what we have to do, right? What's got to happen here? What do we need to do? Got to get rid of Europe. Get these Europeans out of here. Of course, they're good for the short, and then they'll just tear their asses up once they leave at 11:30. Come on. They don't learn. No, they do not. Most retail traders don't. Well, here's what you got. Just look at Qs are holding VWAP. We're just below VWAP, not much. Less than half a point below VWAP. SPYs are breaking below VWAP. Yeah, this market's just tired. I mean, Monday and Tuesday were monsters, right? We're just tired, which is fine. To be expected. This should go back to 04, guys. Come on, let's go. God, I hate dead markets. Pulled everything lower, including VWAP. We're setting up for the longs. Now, that. There we go. There's that 04. There we go. Got to 7. Come on. If we get through 18, again, that's our problem area, 18. We've got to get through 18. Anybody long? Anybody in? That 04 area is resistance. So there's that 321 again, but resistance now. The problem for us is 18. Look, this is our problem. Yesterday's close. We're oversold. New 15-minute bar coming. I'm not watching anything else. Let me take a look. YM looks like it could break below its Crable break at 694. New 15-minute candle. We should trade back up here again. Once we get through, they're going to tear up the shorts. Once we get through that 18, 20, 21 area, they're going to ruin the shorts. You guys should be long. It's slow going, but they are going to ruin the shorts. At some point, they're going to tear the shorts up. If we get through 21, we go back to 40, 45. If we get through our opening range high at 56, we go 75. If you guys have the patience, we're going to trade back to 44. If you have the patience. And this is right now a scalper's market. Down to 1,400, fellas. 10 minutes ago, we were at 22.14. Dog. Dog. Yeah, but again, I think the down move is in. Doesn't preclude, Europe banging it out one last time into the close, but it's not going to come until at least the 11 o'clock candle. Yeah, we'll get rid of them in an hour. And then I think we go. I still like the longs, guys. I don't have any reason yet, again, really to be short. As long as we hold, that low, we're good. I think this just grinds higher. I think so, Caleb. I think higher, my opinion. This area should, want to hold. I don't think we're going to blow down through the 68. Picking up some sellers. We'll see. The spike stops 440. Okay, got it. 1-0. Let's see where it is. Anybody long, guys? I mean, this is going to require a great deal of patience. But I think we're going to 44 again. We're just fighting some resistance. Nice job, Dan. 44 is a target, guys. We get up through that 20, this swing here is big. That 19.75. We've got to pop that, and then you can target 44. I think we're good. I don't see anything here to lead me to believe we should be in shorts. I think they're dragging shorts in, and as soon as they get rid of Europe, they're going to pound these guys. My opinion. But that's usually how it works. Here it goes. Here it goes. Come on. 44, guys. Target that again. Come on. Pop that swing. Be a man. Down to 1100. Let's go. Right back. It's going to get it. Eventually, it's going to pop this, and it's going to run. It's trying now. If we go hourly up, which is going to be above 56, if we go hourly up, these shorts are going to cry, cry, cry. We just need hourly up. I've got daily up. 362 is London lows and 411 is the high. Yeah, we're going back to that area. I don't have any doubt. Two and a half minutes to the next bar. It's just a slow trade, guys. Monday and Tuesday, we had rocket ship. Monday and Tuesday, we had rocket ship. And today you got, slow trade. That's all right. We'll get our targets. I'll get 44. Come on, get out of here. Here it goes. Nah, yet. It's going. It's going right now. There it goes. Come on, find buy. There it goes. You got buyers. It's it. Done. Done. 44. 44. 44. Come on, dog. Give the guys 44. We've got to stay above 2021 on the 15-minute close. That's our line in the sand. We're going to 44. Come on, push. Come on. Come on. We're down below 1,000 net sellers. Let's cross VWAP and go green on the delta. Ooh. Qs are bid. Spies are bid. Let me take a look around here, guys. I got nothing on the YM. YM should be taken out to the woodshed and shot anyways. Russell is bid. Gold, nobody cares about. Crude, quiet ahead of. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, Nasdaq. Stay above that 21. You got 3.5, a little bit better to the next 15-minute bar. You're in at 288. Nice. You really averaged down. What'd you throw on the chunk, Daniel? 12? I'm telling you, we're going to 344. I can't tell you it's in the next 2 minutes, but we're going to 344. Yeah, this 321 is a problem. There's no question. It's a problem. Damn it. All right, guys, support is going to be 10. May not come back there, but it's all right. We're still above 21. As long as we stay above this area on the next 15-minute bar, I think it'll then use that as support. I don't want to close the 15-minute below this 21. Yeah, minute and 48 seconds. Guys, I am shutting off my gold bot. Gold is just doing nothing. I've shut gold bot off. Yeah, we're not going to close over 21. Damn it. That's gold. Out on that third bot trade. Still don't want to be short. Maybe a trade, but not positionally. Here comes crude data. Minus 0.2 million. Utilization is up 1%. Come on, get above the point of control. Let's go. Above the point of control. Let's go back to 20. Come on, above, not 2. Above. There we go. Come on. Ramp it up, baby. Need to get back above 5 or 6. Come on, there we go. Back above the whole number. Now let's get 5, 6. Boy, this thing is just annoying as get out today. Got to get back above 04. That's our problem again. Buyers at the top, small, but we have buyers. Come on, let's take this thing down below 1,000. Let's go. There's a bot trade. Russell, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep it going. Russell got target 1. I'll move it in a minute on the bot. Yeah, DPAC is, oh no, not Roblox, I'm sorry. I mean, just taking a look at equities here, guys. Nasdaq's down 17, 15, 14, 12. ES is flat on the day, down not a handle now. YM's off 2 points. Russell is green, almost 13 handles. Let me take a look at the VIX. VIX cash is down 0.5%. VIX futures down 1 4/10. Here is the Russell bot. First target is off. I better get the damn auto trail on. Guys, give me 1 minute. Come on. It's 10 handles, another couple $100. I'm scalping the hell out of this thing, guys. It's all it's worth. 10 handles, 6 handles, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, and I'm trading small. 1s, 2s. That's all. I'm long 87. I'd like to get at least 03, 04 and then to see it go. But, you know, again, I'm not married to it. I'm not married to the trade. That's why I'm not putting them on the screen. If you guys want to trade them, trade them. I'm trading them here. I'm long 87. One contract. That's it. Another $200, 250, 300. I'll keep taking all the $200, $300 trades they want to give me, fellas. If I can get up through 12 again, you know, turns into a decent trade. And then I'm adding in. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm just not putting them on the screen because it's too hard. Because I'm just whacking at them. We're not getting any real moves. Come on. We need to get back up through 04. Yeah, Greg, I'm just scalping at them. That's it. I keep scalping. That's it. Scalping, 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 scalping. You know, I'm getting $200, $300 trades. I'm up, you know, maybe $1,300 for the day in this account. Not much. I'll take it. You know, I missed the big moves. If we get through this 04, you know, again, yeah, I mean, for me, I can scalp the candle. It's just tough to do in the room because I'll never get everybody out. I'm just scalping candles, top to bottom to top. You know, watching the numbers. You know, again, 175, 180, $200, it's nothing. But if I can get it through that 04, I'll get a trade out of it. And again, you guys could have taken it at 87 and pulled right back there. But when I want out, I'm ready to go. Out on the runner on the Russell. You could have bought 87 again. I could have scalped this thing 6 times. There we go. There we go. Anybody take it? You got $300 if you want to whack at it. Anybody take it? You could have bought the same price as me, 87, if you wanted it. Fighting resistance here. Okay, Kes. If we can get this damn thing back above 04, we can start working up. 04 is the problem again. Look, we're down to 800. Come on, get above that point of control. Okay, Deepak, just scalp at it, fellas. I'm out. I'll take my money. I'm out. Another $160. It's not going anywhere in this candle. I mean, playing around, I'll tell you where I'm at for the day. Playing around. Trading ones and twos. I am 1245. That's it. $1,200. Yeah, what the hell, right? I'm flat, guys. I'm flat. It's not a short. It's not a short. I don't care what this does. It's not a short. Unless this blows out the low. You can take a long here, 83, 84, and probably trade it back up easily to 95, 96. 83, 84 to 95, 96, and then free. Or you could trade 40 contracts for 3 points. Listen, the Nasdaq, guys, is down 27 points. There's nothing to lead me to believe this is blowing out. We're still hanging out below yesterday's close. Right back into this 87 where I took it earlier. This is an annoying trade, whether you are long or short. It's not giving anybody anything. But I still think, again, this 84 up to 95, 96, 10 handles, 10 handles, 10 handles. That's all I can get. New candle. Send in some buyers. Come on. 84 to 90. Come on, give me 94. 95. 92. Sellers are trying. This is Europe. They're trying to drive this lower. We get rid of Europe and we go up. Now we got almost 93. I said 94, 95, 96. If you took the 84, I still think you can get 96, 12 handles. Boring. Boring. The only way we blow through 267 is going to be in the next hourly candle. I don't think we do. But the only way we blow that two or the low of the day is the next hourly. Whoop. All right, so we stair-stepped the 95 lower. Held it. God, this is boring. Guys, see how we breached that 95 and bounced right back up? If you grab that somewhere 59.60, you got 10 handles again. We're holding the opening range low. Nothing today, not crude. Well, the YM has broken its opening range low, which was at 694. Came down 50 ticks or so. And gold has barely broken it. Nasdaq, crude, neither have broken their opening range high or low. We only have 1,000 net sellers here, fellas. And we just basically tested the bottom. Slightly higher low on the day. Right? So we've put in the low here, a higher swing low at 53.75, and now 54.75. We've tested the bottom. Yep, that's what I see, Dan. Unless that blows. Yeah, it is. This is an annoying trade today. Annoying. Nice job on that 260 on the move back up. Nice job. Should trade back to 04, give or take. All right, I just bought one again. Let's see what I can get out of this thing. I'm long 87.25. That's right. Let's go, Brandon. I'm long 87.25. I'll add into it. Come on, Brandon. I'm long one, guys, at 87.25. And this garbage, I'm trading small, really small. If we get up through 92.75, we go ski. Can't get back through 87. We need to get up through 88, 89. That's what's stopping us. 89. Come on. Let's go, chump. We got 289. Got to break 89. And then we're going to zip right up into here to 92. There we go. Come on. Now, if we take that swing at 92.75, we're looking much better. Come on. Pump up the jam, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. And scalp at it again. Come on. You got him. Back below 1,000 sellers, 960. Still struggling in the same area. Breached that 92 and failed. Small net buyers. Golly. There we go. Come on, stack buyers. Got a buyer imbalance. Stack buyers. Still can't do it. Come on. You should get to 04, 03. Did it again. Got to get back above 83. 83. Come on, get above 83. Guys, this is just no fun today. This thing can't make 10 handle moves. Coming into the top of the hour. Come on, get above 83. It's trying like hell. We're stuck at those three stupid sellers, 2017 and 17, nothing. Yeah, this forces you to be a lot more patient as a trader, for sure. Boy, it's trying like hell. Come on, 83. We're stuck. 82.50. There we go. There we go. Above 83. Come on. You got him on the run. Band on the run now. Let's go. Sucked in some shorts. Now we're going to teach him the meaning of the word respect. Come on, pop. Golly, you rat dog. Get above 93. Come on. You stink. Seriously stink. Can't get 93. Now we got to pop 93 quarter, fellas. We got the 83. Move to the top of the candle again. Top of the hour. Come on. We're going to sit at the 68. Let's go. Here's the 15-minute. Look at this trend line. We got to get above that trend line. Guys, it's 1,000 sellers. That's it. It's not like we're sitting on 10,000, negative delta. Looks like we're going to come down. And look, the buyer stepped right back in. Europe's gone in 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. Bots are done. I'll go over bot trades in a bit. All right, guys. Let me do bot trades. Bots had a small down day, thanks to gold. ES took 2 trades today, fellas. Took a failed long at 7:30 and a nice short. Got both my targets, first and second targets. 87 ticks on ES. Nasdaq, no trades today. Purple to purple. No trades on NQ. Russell, this was the first trade, which was a losing trade. And then the second trade here, trade number 2. It's at 2 trades, a loser and a winner. Crude, the only trade that crude took for me was here. I told you guys I was shutting my bot off for inventories, which I generally do every week unless I forget. So 1 for 1 today on crude. And here's gold. So gold took this first trade early this morning for a big winner. Big winner on gold. Loser on trade number 2. Loser on trade number 3, and I shut it off, and it would have been a small winner. I would have added a couple $100 plus the runner here, but in any event, here is where your bots finished. Bots are down 487.50 on the day. 487.50 in a very sloppy trade. Okay. Still up nicely on the week. Minus 487.50. We slaughtered them on order flow. Slaughtered them. Anybody have any questions, guys? All right, so what I want to do now, you're welcome, Jeff. What I'm going to do, our robot is the only one of its kind. There are literally thousands of automated systems. All you have to do is look at Stryker Securities or Canon Securities. Elon's a friend of mine at Canon. They each have several thousand automated systems. Literally 99% of them do not make money. The robots that actually make a few bucks are they're not day trading robots, and they actually take very few trades on an annual basis. We have what is arguably the best day trading robot built. It is unique. It operates on a multi-time frame analysis of moving averages. So for instance, you're looking at the chart here, and let's just look at trade number 2 here on the ES. Okay, it gave a short. The trigger was the moving average crossover. But this is not a simple moving average crossover robot, right? Nor am I going to share what the moving averages are. But in any event, this is not a simple moving average crossover. Over on the left, these are secondary time frames. So the robot is assessing on a 15-minute chart, a 3-minute, 5-minute, okay, 10-minute in some instances, or 20, right? So in this case, with all of these filters on, these are additional charts utilizing the same moving averages as you see on the chart. Okay? You can't see these charts And you can't see the moving averages on those charts. But it is utilizing moving averages, all trading in the same direction, right? So in the 15-minute, when I get an arrow, I have a red background. I know that my time frames are congruent. All of the ones I have checked are congruent. They're all in the same direction. What does that mean? Probabilities, historical numbers. Here are your historical numbers over the last 21 weeks. The 5 combined bots over the last 21 weeks trading 3 contracts, two on the ES, is $72,498. The ES has a 73% win rate over 21 weeks. That'll change a little bit. Well, it won't change the win rate. Over the last 21 weeks, exclusive of Monday, Tuesday, and today, the ES has taken 89 trades with 65 winners, 73%. Okay? So for my members, I haven't changed anything in the member area other than the ATR setting on target 1, which I did over the summer and I've never changed back. I am using 1 for average true range on target 1. In the member area, it's at 1.5. I have been using 1 since sometime in early August when the volatility died, and I've not changed it. I'm trading a 1-by-1 ATM on the ES, 1-by-1. Okay? So I'm trading 1 target off at target 1, 1 target off at target 2. That's the ES. On the Nasdaq, I've changed nothing. And for those of you guys that are on trial, and for my members, many of whom may not be in the room, the ES historical average, the Nasdaq historical average is 68%. 68%. We don't really want to be below 65. We don't really want to be above 75. Above 75% win rate, it doesn't take enough trades. Below 65, it's taking too many. And while still may be profitable, it's just too back and forth. On the Nasdaq, I am trading an ATM strategy of 1, 1, and 1. 1 contract off at each target identified by the bot. Same with the Russell. I am trading an ATM strategy of 1, 1, and 1. That is what I'm using. The Russell historical average is running at 70% on the nose, 180 out of 258. The bot that takes the most trades is gold. Gold is also running at 74% historical win rate. Okay? On gold, I'm trading 2-by-1. 2 off at target 1. Crude is trading at a historical win rate of 73%. Okay? And on crude, I'm trading 1-by-1-by-1. So John, one of the members, in the last 21 weeks, the settings that he's using have him up $197,596 on 3 contracts, John, whereas I'm at 72. 3 contracts, trading gold, CL, Nasdaq, and ES. No Russell. Now again, oftentimes I get members or traders that will email me and say, I don't have the same results. How come? And I have a response to that. I don't freaking know. I'm not sitting next to you. How's that for a response? I don't know. I don't know what. So for trial members, and again, people that may watch this video when I send it out in a daily video, as traders, we all have different priorities. Now, obviously, there goes the Nasdaq right back up. Obviously, the target that's going to get hit the highest percentage of time is what? Target 1. Target 2 to a lesser degree, and target 3 to an even lesser degree. Why? Because they're 2.5 and 3.5 times average true range. So, if you take, some traders may elect to take all contracts at first target. Some may elect to take the bulk off at first target and get runners, or the bulk off at second target, whatever the case may be. As evidenced by John telling me he's up 197,500 and change over the same 21-week period I am. He's 2.5 times my number. I don't know if John will share his settings, and I'm not getting into that here, CJ. Message him. I'm sure he will, but message him. I'm not getting into settings here. So the whole purpose of Member Skype is for you guys to share what you're doing, if you wish. Right? That's why I created. Here we are to that 04. Took a lot more patience than I thought I had. Our day trading robot is the single best robot ever built. Period. The end. Period. The end. 46.75. Well, would have helped me at 76. What's your target? It's going to 83. 282 NQ. Yeah, I'm with you. Yeah, we're only down 200 contracts now in the negative delta, guys. Anybody have any questions? I've told you the settings that I'm using. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Yep, it's right here. Dan, we just came up through. And they're buying them all back. I told you guys, once we get rid of Europe, it's the same story almost daily. Once we get rid of these short selling guys, we go up. Now they're going to leave the shorts in the dust. And we just put in yet a higher low on the retest of the daily low. All right, fellas, I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I will see my 1 o'clock guys. I did, Mimi. Let me know. Let me see here. I'm not looking at copper. Copper's definitely long. I mean, it was long, hell, back at 905, but it's daily up. Guys, I will see my guys at 1 o'clock that are with me. The rest of you I will see tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. If you were in order flow class yesterday, the video has been sent. Okay? I will see you guys all tomorrow. If anyone has questions, call me, email me, Skype me. Be blessed. I will see you guys.